So everyone from all over the world, if you are now watching this live streaming from RPG TV from Bandung, West Java in Indonesia, please support his channel to care, to save his, not only him, but our Indonesian people traditional art is wayang golek. And in his channel, he always show us a dance, a puppet show, a place really with the special architecture from West Java, Indonesia. And I think in not so many channel you can find something like this, but on RPG TV channel you will find it. And I hope everyone will support with subscribe and share to all your loved one, share to all your friends. So with this kind of this, with all your support, this channel will grow and our tradition, our culture will keep safe. Thank you very much.